Everyone, so here you can see we've got a double sliding wardrobe. It's got two doors, and the problem that we've got is that this door here is getting stuck at the top. My son closed it very hard and it seemed to jump off the soft close mechanism, which is up here. So the way this is supposed to work, when the door closes it goes along like that. Now when you open it, it pushes it back there. And the problem is that it's got to that position with the peg here for the door being closed. So it's hitting here. So the next issue that I've got here is there's no way to get round to it by sticking my fingers in here. So what I'm going to have to do is take the door off partly in order to get it out. And that turned out to be a bit tricky. So what you need is just one of these crowbars. You can see under here there's a clip just here which you can poke the crowbar in like this, and you can see it levers down like that. Then the same on this side. There's another going on the other side. Like that. So now these doors can swing out freely. Now the doors can swing out freely. So the next thing to do is to pull the door out slightly and then open it past that point. You can see, as I said, that was in the wrong place. So if I now push this closed again, it should now operate correctly. And then the last thing to do, go back down to the bottom, push these clips back up again, just like that. And now the door doesn't move it in or out. So there we go. Both doors are working fine. Thanks very much for watching. See you on the next one.